There's the 4 separate isolations, and the first one you pull on your ribs and your stomach, and just that part, relax everything else. So, just pull in the ribs, making a bit of a crease. So, in, release, in, release, in, release, in, release, in, release, in, release, and then we go one down, and that one's right here, so that one, I kind of suck at this. In, release, in, release, in, release, 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 and then we do the belly button one. So just weight on your heels, long back, in, release, and then one below. That's a tricky one. It's when you do your locks with the 1 inch below your belly button. So in, release,